Make sure the shipment clears receiving by noon.
All right, copy that. The new units are ready for inspection.
This highly automated facility ensures quality control at every stage of the battery module assembly.
Achieving this mirror finish requires absolute precision, which is why our quality control measures are second to none. This level of scrutiny guarantees the precision and quality our customers expect from every vehicle we produce.
The current throughput in Sector 4 is below target.
We can reroute the power distribution using this configuration.
Ensuring the highest levels of safety is paramount. Every cell is monitored rigorously against our stringent protocols.
The sheer scale of the Gigafactory is evident here. Managing the flow of materials requires precision.
The advanced analytics are flagging a bottleneck in Sector Gamma.
Is the AI compensating, or do we need to manually reroute the processing?
The Model S glides smoothly through the course, demonstrating our commitment to quality and performance.
Temperature on pot 12 holding steady at 980.
Copy that. Proceeding with the tap. Keep the flow rate consistent.
Check the torque settings on the rear axle.
Already done. Shows green on the manifest.
As you can see, the infotainment system is fully integrated with your smartphone. And here are the keys to your new vehicle.
Gloss reading is within tolerance at this point.
Confirmed. Move to the next section.
This route saves approximately 15 minutes of drive time.
Excellent. Let's finalize the sequence.
Here is your package. Please sign here to confirm receipt.
Thank you. I appreciate the careful handling.
Thank you for calling support. Let's walk through the calibration sequence shown on page 42 together. Welcome to the Product Improvement Center. Our engineers work meticulously to analyze and refine every detail, ensuring the highest quality.
We must cross-reference this against the new guidelines immediately.
The initial analysis confirms full compliance across the board.
Here in the safety area, workers carefully monitor all equipment and procedures. The process operates with meticulous care.
The spectrometer readings confirm the presence of the level 3 contaminant. We need to initiate the risk assessment immediately.
The thermal fluctuations exceed acceptable parameters. I'm isolating the data now for risk assessment.
This introduction to our risk assessment process highlights how we carefully evaluate potential risks associated with the manufacturing process.
Ensure the pressure gauge reads below 50 psi before proceeding.
Understood. Turning the dial slowly now.
Sector Gamma. Prepare for Level 2 decontamination immediately.
Ensure the optical sorter is calibrated for the multi-layer plastics.
Yes, calibrating now. The inbound stream is steady.
We're so glad you could make it today. This initiative is all about giving back to the community.
The new sorting system is incredible.
Yes, we've tripled our output of 8 packages this week.
We need to align the sensor array precisely before the next phase.
I agree. The calibration looks good on this side.
Attention to detail is paramount. We are entering the communication phase, and every step must be executed flawlessly to maintain our trajectory.
The data stream on channel 4 is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now.
Perfect. The transfer is complete.
Excellent precision as always.
Here in the problem-solving area, every detail is analyzed with precision. This meticulous approach drives our innovation.
The data suggests this is the breakthrough we've been waiting for. We need to move this to phase 2 immediately.
The stress test results on this component are slightly outside the acceptable threshold.
Okay, let's adjust the parameters immediately.
Ensure the calibration is complete before the next phase.
Yes, the diagnostics look good.
This seamlessly flows into the inventory management phase, as you can see here.
Right. The data integration is flawless.
This scanner updates the database in real time. Once scanned, place it on the shipping conveyor.
Understood.
We need to expedite this pallet to receiving immediately.
Already on it. The tracking shows it's cleared.
The calibration seems stable now.
Yes, the voltage fluctuation is within tolerance.
The current flow rate on the blue machine is slightly above the threshold, but still within acceptable parameters.
We have an anomaly in Sector 4. Zoom in now.
Confirmed. Alert status green, localized.
Maintain current trajectory.
Status report on the containment field. Fluctuations stabilizing at 40%.
Are the levels stabilizing now?
Yes, perfectly within the parameters you set. We should be ready for the final phase.
Torque on the hydro component is confirmed.
Running diagnostics now. Looks good.
The panel alignment on the rear left door is within tolerance 0.02.
Okay, let's clear it for the stress test.
The diagnostics check is complete. All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Good. The certification is approved.
The wiring harness schematic matches the physical installation.
Good. Let's finalize the documentation for phase 2.
The synthesis of the third segment seems slightly underdeveloped.
I agree. Let's refine the wording before submission.
According to the footage, the timeline is precise.
Agreed. The conclusion must reflect the exact sequence of events.
The data confirms our hypothesis. The reflection process is complete.
Excellent. Let's move to the implementation phase immediately.
The first step is utilizing the online portal shown here, which streamlines the entire process, making the next steps much faster for everyone involved.
Exactly. All parameters within tolerance on screen, gamma 3.
Looks good. Proceed with finalization.
Check the synchronization on the special thanks section.
Adjusting the scroll rate now, confirming visibility.
Looks precise. Proceed to final render.
Checking the final parameters. The delta is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Initiating final archive sequence.
All right, the key points are summarized and verified. Perfect. Time for the final synthesis phase.
Verify section gamma 7.
All metrics are within tolerance. The message is clear.
The data aligns perfectly with the final sequence.
Ensure the timestamps match the archival footage.
Check the metadata on Sector 4. Ensure the 180 shutter angle is logged.
Confirmed. The final sequence is stabilized and ready for output.